If your Xbox Series X is stuck on a loading screen, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Step 1. Restart your console. Power off your Xbox Series X completely by holding the power button for about 10 seconds. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Check for system updates. Navigate to the settings menu and check for any available system updates. Keeping your console updated can resolve many performance issues. Step 3. Clear the cache. To clear the cache, power off the console and plug it from the power source for at least 10 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This can help resolve loading issues. Step 4. Test your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Go to the network settings and run a network test. A poor connection can cause loading problems, especially for online games. Step 5. Factory reset. If none of the above steps work, consider performing a factory reset. Go to Settings, select System, and choose the Factory Reset option. Make sure to back up your data if possible, as this will erase all content on the console. If the problem continues after trying these steps, you may need to contact Xbox support for further assistance.